and my thyroid tablet. I have thyroid, so I was taking around 100, then it came to 80, and now it's like, I'm at 60. So I'm very grateful, sir, to Mani sir, and I feel very happy, sir, that I have joined your class. If I would have not joined that small workshop, I would have not come through this transformation, sir. To actually, sir, at the age of 32, I got both the knee arthritis problem, and I went to the doctor. They did my MRI, and then they said, you cannot sit down, you cannot fold your legs, you cannot kneel down. And I was too much upset with that, and I just listened to the doctor. I did my physio, only some walking I used to do, and I was okay with that. I was thinking, chalo, this is my life now, what to do. But and time just passed away. Then I have this thyroid issues, and I have this sleep issue, anxiety, and all this kind of very lethargic. I used to not get up in the morning, sir. But to be very frank, from the time I joined, I used to, sir, 6 o'clock only my mind opens. Okay, I have to, now the yoga class will start. That from that inner feeling, na, sir, it gives me, it's encouraged, I'm getting encouraged by, okay. And the teachers are also very wonderful. They give they know every student, I feel, every student's problem. They know I have this problem. They tell, okay, you have this problem, you don't. And every body is, I feel it's activated and, taken care of. After joining this, now I can sit down. Now I can fold my legs. And I feel very happy, sir, that I have joined your class. If I would have not joined that small workshop, I would have not come through this transformation, sir. That one thing, the way you spoke and the way something was there, sir, that I thought I must give a try. It's not that I never tried before. Earlier also I tried many classes, yoga, but I saw they were not, it was like a commercial. But this is like we are in your hands, and you are giving us the proper guidance, irrespective of what problems we have. So that is making us more easy and comfortable to do this, sir. Yours class is sir, it is I feel I'm doing it live. The main happy feeling I got is I'm doing live. Paid, now we are getting 3 times more, that is confident, happiness, and flexible. Now I feel so flexible, okay, this exercise, sir, I could never do now, as next one. So now I can feel I can straighten my hand like this, So all this makes me active and happy. And the best part is, today my husband said, after joining this yoga class, I can see you running around now too much and very energetic. He said, you must continue. So that was a very positive compliment he gave me today after so many years.